These are professional studio headphones from the brand called Maono. Coming to the model, it is Maono AU MH501. These are useful for audio editing, for music, for gaming, for watching movies, and there are so many things you can do with these studio headphones. There are many more lot things to share about this product. This video is all about the review of these Maono studio headphones after using it for couple of months. This is a real-time review and it is unbiased review. The Maono didn't given this one. I only purchased it with my own money and I started using this one for my editing work, and this is like full real-time user review of Maono studio headphones. Also, I posted the unboxing video of this one. If you want to know what are the contents we are getting inside the box, go and check that. I'll leave the link in description or else in this card section you can find that video. Let's start the pros. What are the things I liked in these studio headphones? Wait. Before getting into the actual video, thank you so much guys for clicking this video and watching apart from other videos. Also take some seconds of time to like this video if you really enjoyed thoroughly, and share it to your friends if anybody needed, especially this type of studio headphones, and subscribe to techbunny, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get every notification whenever I post a new one in this channel. Also, I given the links of Amazon and Flipkart as well as this product link also. If you are planning to buy this product or any product apart from this also, click the link and start purchase. The commission will added automatically to me. It's like a small commission for me and it helps to the channel too. Coming to the first thing I liked in this one is the build quality. The build quality is super premium, and even though it is made up of plastic, I really like the build quality. It's easy to use, it is flexible, and you can easily twist like that, and even you can adjust the headbands too. And you can easily use like this, and this is how it looks like if you wear on top of your ears. So it's pretty cool. The design wise, I will give like 9 out of 10 rating. Why 1 is less for 10 is like it is made up of plastic. Yeah, although the finish they given for this plastic is really good. It's like a smooth finish all over it. I really like this one, and it's kind of some like looks like fiber, sometimes it looks like plastic, but reality it is made up of plastic. Also, coming to the mesh, they given good sufficient amount of mesh all over the ears as well as this headband area. It's very soft and you can easily use it for hours and hours of time without having any disturbances or without having any irritation for your ears as well as the head. As I mentioned earlier, the ear cups are really good. You can easily use this one for hours and hours of time without having any of the problem. Trust me guys, in a single stretch I watched 2 movies, which is like 2.5 and 3 hours, and like some videos too in YouTube. I didn't notice any irritation while using these headphones. The experience is pretty good in this one. This Maono studio headphones support across all your laptops, PCs, and Android and iOS devices too. So you don't need to worry about those things whether it supports or not for your device. It supports across all the devices. And the beauty of these headphones is these are stereo headphones. You can clearly observe the sound in surroundings if you are playing any video. That is why it is called studio headphones. Maybe some of you are getting a doubt in your brains, even though we're having different types of headphones which are stereo, and even we're having earphones too which are stereo. But when it comes to the earphones and this product especially, these are made for studio purpose, for editing, for monitoring the audio. For that reasons they made it this product. So you can clearly observe the differences between this and the product you are using, like the headphones or earphones. And coming to the sound quality, I thoroughly enjoyed the sound quality. I'm not a bass lover, bass lover. Yeah, I'm not at all a bass lover. I like flat music. So for me, it's like a full meal package. So it do not disturb a lot for your ears, and it will easily pump all the music and surrounding noise too. And also these are having 50mm drivers, which are pretty good to see in these headphones. Also, I forgot to mention the price. Right now the price of this one is about 2,749 rupees without having any offers. I purchased this one like some months back On that time I purchased this one for 1599 rupees. You need to take care about the pricing, guys, and during offer times you will get even low than the price you are seeing right now. Unlike all the headphones, this one is also having the adjustable headband, so you can easily adjustable these headbands. And coming to the beauty of this one is they mention the numbering on this area so that you can easily adjust which number you like. So I'm use like for 5, I think 6, yeah, 6 I use daily for my head as well as ears. It will easily perfectly fit for my ears without having any problem with my top 2. So you can easily access, even though if you rolled into this and if you're traveling with folding this one, you can easily take it back and you can see the numbers and adjust it and you're ready to go. And these are foldable ones. If you observe here, it is the actual length. I will open full totally. So this is the actual length of this one. So you can observe. So if you want to fold, you can easily fold like this. See, you can easily fold like this and you can go anywhere you like. It occupies very less space if you fold this one. So that is the beauty of this one, that many of the other headphones, normal headphones, won't get this type of features. I think in high-end version you will find this type of things, but like in normal, like below 2000 or 3000 rupees price range, you won't find these type of things in headphones. And come to the wire quality, the wire quality is really good. You can observe here, after seeing the first time these headphones, I mean especially the wire, I feel like I'm using any telephone wire. So yeah, the wire quality is really good. You do not have to worry about the wire quality. And next thing is, I tested for video, I mean especially the audio editing, and during games also I tested. And as I mentioned earlier, in a single stretch I watched 2 movies. So on that time also I tested, and even for calls also I tested. I will share in comment section too related to the calls. While testing these things, I hadn't noticed any of the problems in the sound quality. The sound quality is pretty good. And also due to these large ear cups as well as good meshing, it is having good sound isolation too. So that the use of this sound isolation is, even though you are in heavy like crazy sounds environment surrounding you, you can clearly listen the sounds you are getting from these headphones. That is the use of the sound isolation. Also in the box they given the 6.35mm adapter too. For mixers and phantoms you can use the 6.35mm one, and if you unscrew it and see, this one is 3.5mm, you can use it for laptops, mobiles, anything you like. Also when it comes to the weight and warranty, this one is weighs around 400 grams. It's not heavy, and coming to the warranty, it comes with 1 year of warranty. So these are the good things I noticed in this. Now I will tell what are the cons, like what are the things I didn't notice it, I mean not noticed, I didn't like in this one. Coming to the first one is, this one are pretty good headphones, but the one point where it is lagging actually is there is no mic for this headphone. As I told you earlier during the pros, I told regarding the calls, while taking the calls I need to place my mobile near to my mouth so that it can actually take the voice. So this one doesn't have any inbuilt mic. If you are looking for studio headphones that too having mic, this one is not for you. The next thing is, due to this bulky, you cannot use it in outside rather than your home. In the description in Amazon they mentioned you can easily use any public places you like, but guys, if you use this one in public places, for you only, you feel awkward if you use it. So maybe the reason is it is having wire, that is the main reason. If it is Bluetooth one, you can easily use that. But when it comes to the ear cups also, these are little bulkier. So for studio purpose, that is the main use of this one. For studio only, you have to use these headphones. And next is, even though they are foldable, you can easily carry, but it occupies more space than the remaining one, like the normal headphones. So you need to take care about that too. Also, if you travel a lot, these headphones are not all recommended because these are made up of plastic. Even though if you are folded, if you pump or if you press anything on the top of this one, it will easily crush and it will easily break. So take care about that too. And final thing I noticed it, and this is the one of the last thing I didn't like in this one, is this produces flat sounds. If you are a bass lover, this one doesn't produce any bass. Bass is not that much deep and heavy. So these are the cons, I mean the negative sides of these studio headphones. Apart from these, remaining all are good in this one. For whom I recommend these headphones? I recommend these headphones if you are a video or audio editor, or if you want to listen music, if you want to watch movies. These are really good headphones for that productivity work. And if you want to use it for like only for music as well as for calls, especially music is okay in this one. No need to take any of the point in the music section. When it comes to the calls you cannot use this one. You can listen this sound, but if there is no mic, means you have to again take your mobile out of from your pocket and you have to place close to your mouth and then start talking to the person on call. So for calling feature, I do not recommend these headphones. Well, that's all about the video, guys. I hope I clearly shown what are the pros and cons of these headphones, and the two unbiased and real user review. If you like this video and if you think this information is really helpful for you, a like would be really amazing for me, so that the video can push for so many people. And also subscribe to techbunny for more interesting tech videos. Maybe you interested in tech, you can subscribe. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. My name is Rajshekhar and you're watching techbunny, and I will catch you in the next one.